You see? I told you so. Hello, Dino. That's very nice. This is Willy and Ben.
Hello! Do you want to play with me? I've made some more for you.
I've never seen anything like them. They look awesome. Let's try. My threads! My thread! Ow! My back! I love it! I can't hold it! Your kite doesn't even work! Ben, what if you let go of your ball? Are you scared someone will take your precious ball? Very funny. Hey! Oh no! My kite! We have to catch it! Hey, Dino! We got it! Where's my ball?
Surprise!
Wow! It really looks like you two.
Do you like it? I'm so happy! Look at the faces. I put in lots of details, and now they look so natural and...
That was my ball!